To learn more about animals, we're going to go to the farm animal farm animal. Animal. To learn more about animals, we're going to go to the farm animal refuge. My dad was helping me.
Has ever been on a dirt road in the middle of nowhere before?
It's Mr. Moo. We're here in the farm and we're going to check out the animals. Ready, guys?
Very spiky?
Yeah.
Oh, his nose looks wet. Oh, he wants a kiss. Give him a kiss on the nose.
No, never.
Come on.
I will.
Give him a little kiss.
His nose higher. He's going to
Hi, buddy. Hi.
Yeah.
Oh! She kissed him. She kissed him.
Oh, he's so cute.
Go in there.
He's fluffy.
Is he soft?
Fluffy. Way cute.
That's Jacob.
Oh, he is soft.
Lila. Really funny.
Nibbles, huh? He wants the big one.
Oh, this one? No, you can't say that.
Oh, look. We got a buddy. He's like, oh, you got lettuce? I want some lettuce.
No, look how fast.
Hey.
Ow! Guys,
Here.
he eats the lettuce fast. So, guys, we're going to go feed the hens. We can go feed the hens.
Whoa!
Oh,
he was gonna stand up on you, huh?
okay.
Let me see. Let's see if we can get him to stand up again. Come on. Here, stand up. Whoa. Biggin. He went up for it.
No lettuce. Don't mind me, there's no lettuce.
The lettuce is all gone.
Yeah.
I think you got some in there.
Let's go. Come on, Dad. That was a good trick.
I think he'll follow you. Oh, he's following you. He sees the lettuce. He's willing to stand for it. Oh, they love it. Let him take it out of your hand.
Sorry, guys.
Look who's over here. He really wants some lettuce. He's crazy.
Oh my God, you love lettuce.
Here, give him some. Don't tease him. You gotta give him some. All right,
Should I get the whole thing?
it's up to you.
Ready, guys? Go.
Oh, yeah. They're really liking that lettuce. Who knew chickens like lettuce?
Ew, he's like taking a dump. Ew. That's what the egg was.
Poo-poo time.
Here's the cow.
He's back there.
Look at you. I'm coming. I like salad.
All right, let's go feed him.
I eat so.
You don't love salad.
You don't need salad. Hand it to Gracie slowly.
Take! Ah!
No, you just
His
peel
nose!
layers. That's how you should do it.
Go. There's some lettuce, Gracie. Don't bite me.
Look at this big dude.
I'm out of
Dad.
That's the food you want. Chicky.
Learn like what?
Chicky, come on, you know you want to. Hi, when he wants to make
I think they like you, Kaden.
Look, this is food.
Does he like it, Kaden?
Nope.
No? Why don't we take it and give it to the pigs then? Let's go give it to the pigs if he doesn't want it.
Bye, see you later.
Okay. He's snorting for you.
Lettuce. Lettuce.
Ooh, he's gonna take your arm off.
You're gonna eat my arm? No, you're not.
Here. Here you go, buddy. Here you go, here you go. Oh, yeah, yeah.
I'll actually talk to you.
This one? Kaden, come over here. He's got some big teeth. You want to talk to him?
If you sit down, you go.
You say, you tried, am I?
I just laughed. So jiggly.
What's up, buddy? You want some love? Huh? Need some love? Do it loud, Kaden.
He's
Did he spray you, Amaya?
smiling. He's smiling.
You snoring?
Yeah. His eyes are shut. He's laying down.
He's having a dream.
It sounded like he burped. Rescuing animals.
I started rescuing farm animals because I don't think that a lot of people know that farm animals are just like puppies. And so I wanted them to come meet them and realize how much like puppies they are, and then maybe think about eating a vegetarian diet.
Wow.
How much eggs have the chickens laid?
The chickens lay lots of eggs. They lay an egg almost every day, but in the wild, chickens only lay one egg in a month. So here at the farm, we actually cook the eggs and we give them back to the chickens because their bodies need it from laying so many.
Why do they live in that igloo?
Yeah, they don't live in the igloo. She's just hanging out in that pen until she gets to meet the other pigs.
What kind of things can they use on a farm?
Well, we could use help volunteering. Do you want to shovel some poop?
No.
No? Okay. So we could use somebody for that then. We could use people to donate. We have a monthly donation program. Or we could use people just to share videos of our animals here and talk about how awesome farm animals are.
What do you want to do to help Kaden?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Give money?
I think we can do all three, right? We can share videos, maybe help raise some money, and then get you some boots so you can shovel some cow poop.
No.
Pig poop?
No.
What about goat poop? Goat poop's just little poops.
No.
No poops at all?
No.
Okay, maybe the hay. Maybe you could help me feed them. Okay.
So, Kaden, what was your favorite animals to interact with on the farm?
These and the cows.
The cows and the potbelly pigs?
Yeah.
Which potbelly pig was your favorite pig? Oh, Willie and Thor.
Yeah, they talked to you a lot, didn't they?
How do you recognize those two black ones?
Because they're like my kids. I can tell them apart right away just from looking at them. And Nellie is a girl and she has an all pink nose. And Thor is a boy and he doesn't have any pink on his nose.
Kaden, do you think all kids that live in San Diego should come visit the farm?
Yeah.
Is it fun out here?
Yeah.
Do you want to move to the farm?
Yeah.
But then you'd have to shovel poop every day.
I would.
Oh, okay. You try to find somebody else to do that?
Yeah.
Other volunteers?
Thanks for being
Thanks for coming.
All right. Bye, goat buddy. See you next time.